E. Roger Ripinski here. Roger Rips. Got a couple of more days this week. Gonna be working on this box of 151. I think next week I might switch it up. Alright, let's see what we got here. Starting off with Execute. And, oh, I really like that Pidgey art. That's really fun. Hey, Squirtle. I already got the hollow Squirtle, but I like it. Kingler. Clefable. And, hey, Lickitung with the Pokeball hollow. Alright. Don't hate it. And, oh, Omastar. Yeah. That's an alright pack. Alright. Remember, opening packs is gambling, and I'll see you tomorrow.